said.
Say it, don't spray it, Thomas.
I've still got sneezing powder up my funnel.
Crumbs! That must be a big bird.
Ouch! Again. Again. Hello.
Welcome to the island of Sodor.
My name is Charlie Chalk. I come from the circus.
Thomas was amazed. There were trailers and horse boxes, colourful costumes, coaches and flatbeds as far as the eye could see. The engine soon forgot to be tired and cross. Until it was time for the circus to leave. Then Gordon and Henry were cross all over again when James got to pull the train away. That's my line of trucks, huffed Bill. Snot, it's mine, snorted Ben. Yours is over there. Smine, snot, 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 smine, snot.
Stop! That's our property. What do you think you're up to, eh?
Or the only thing you'll have left to share is trouble.
After he had whistled a warning.
If I were you, whispered Boko, I'd get back to work right away.
What's up here? Another of Warrior's disasters, eh?
Hey, look here, you guys. It wasn't...
Ignore them, Warrior. We all know it wasn't your fault. It's you zeros of the disasters.
What?
Zip and Zug have lost you your chance with the rock contract. Their behaviour has been despicable.
You idiots! 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 Idiots!
Thomas was a big engine, but he couldn't have felt smaller. And he couldn't have felt sillier.
I couldn't have put it better myself.